All right, now that we have our topic created that I just named demo topic, let's go ahead and send some messages to it. All right, and the way we're gonna do it, we're gonna call the Kafka console producer application. Okay, so let's run Kafka console producer bootstrap server 992, and to which topic we're gonna start sending messages to is the demo topic. And you're gonna see that it's now just sending this. So you can type in anything. Hello, this is our first message, third message, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we're sending a lot of messages here in the producer that are spinning up, sending messages to the demo topic. Okay, so if we check out here again in our UI, we're gonna see that if we go here over the messages from the demo topic, we now can see all of the messages that we have sent. Hello, this is our first message, and you can see that there was no key pass. We're just sending pure values. Okay. Third message, when it was sent, the size of this message, the offset related to that messages. So you can see that it is ordered what I have sent as the first message, hello. It was assigned the offset number 0, and going down to the number 5, all of the 5 messages that I have sent. Okay, so far no consumers. We're just producing messages to this topic. You can find all of those messages here. Okay, so you can go ahead and play around with this terminal. You can keep sending information, and you can dynamically see how it's going to populate messages from our topic. Okay, on the next video we're going to see how to consume information from this topic. Okay, so see you next.